Absolutely. First of all, I'd really like to thank you for the opportunity that you've given and the thought itself of, asking me to come online and have a chat with you. I think that is something that I really appreciate. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Um, um, I am Karshika Srivastav. I've been working for the last 10 years. It's been 5 years of freelancing and exploring and doing a lot of different things. That's a different story for altogether. But 5 years of full time, working. I work for a cybersecurity company. I manage the partnerships globally. One of the pieces about me is that I absolutely love what I do. I don't do things if I don't love it. I think most of the time you'll see me either in front of the laptop or talking to people or networking. If you have to sum up me in three words, that'll be persistent, people person, and absolutely passionate.
Mm. Good, good. Super. So, what is the motivation that you explored so many things, but now you are into this particular, career of yours? So, what is the motivation behind choosing this as a, you know, your career?
That's a very good question. So, one of the pieces, I've done a lot of different things in my life. I have done things in media, I've done things in event management, and then I've landed in cybersecurity. I've done quite some different things. But one of the pieces that I realized very early on, 10 years back approximately, is that I really genuinely love connecting with people irrespective. I don't just want to have the conversation from business perspective, very point product perspective, but I'm a person who will try to understand at a 360 view and be holistic about it. So um, the more people I talk to, the different people that I talk to is extremely motivating for me.
Mhm. Okay. So, what are the challenges you face?
Challenges in terms of
Your in your whatever your professional activities you're performing. What are the challenges you face with the clients, with yourself, and with your other colleagues?
Actually, challenges is a very different term. I would personally not use it. I think it's the learning curve. Over the period, cybersecurity specifically is such a niche market. You will see women lately have been growing so much. They have they've been there in this amazing opportunity that women is pursuing at this point in time in cybersecurity. But I think challenges per se is more towards, since the percentage is very low of women, sometimes you will feel that, you are in front of like 20 men. But I have happened to meet one of the most amazing men and women in this industry who has helped me evolve and grow every single day. I have met amazing clients who have taught me something that I don't know. I'm the person who will go out and ask for help. If I don't know anything or something, I would, ask myself, even if it's a client saying, I'm not sure if you can explain or I can come back to you. I would not try and, sound smarter if I'm not at that point in time. But I've been blessed by the people that I have met. I have amazing company and amazing people who support me. And I have happened to meet some amazing clients who have always, taught me better.
Mhm. Sure. So, what is your unique special points about yourself so that you get to connect with the people very easily, and also you're always on the ladder of success?
I think, unique the term you I mean I love your questions, but I just have a different view altogether. Everyone is unique in its own way depending upon what works for them, what's convenient for them. All right. I happen to, because of this networking skills that I have, the reason I have from done different things in my life and met different people in my life and landed in cybersecurity is because somewhere sometime I have met that person and I've landed up here and I've taken the opportunity. I think I take risks. even if I don't know something, if you see my LinkedIn profile, I've done quite some different pieces, different roles. I always take risks, and I give it my best. I give 200% of my shot, and I never ever say no, or something that I don't know about. I would go out, learn about it, and try and understand it better than just comment. I'm the person who thinks before talking anything. And absolutely, someone who's well read, understands different genre, understands different things, and try to connect with people on an individual level than on a business level only.
The cyber security is one of the very important and key, field in today's, net connected society, and all financial transactions, any business transaction are through net. So cyber security is really a buzzword, and it is going to be very important. So any success story you would like to share about?
I think you have rightly mentioned. Look at the current times, all right. It's all over the place. One of the only places that have stood strong is IT and cybersecurity in these times. I think cybersecurity is a market which is definitely growing, which has a great potential and opportunity for all the young people. Um, and coming back to the success story that you were talking about, success for me, everyone has a different definition of success, right? For you might be something else, for me it might be something else. I think for me, success is those little things that you achieve. I set up goals, I achieve them, I work on them, I implement. And the moment, I achieve those are successful pieces. I am a person who's, like I said, not only professionally passionate, but I do a lot of things for animals. I have bought my own house at this young age. All these little pieces is something that is success for me. So if you ask me one story, I don't have it. But if you ask me little pieces, those are the most important pieces of my life, which has given me, which I feel is extremely successful for what I've done.
Mhm. Yeah, nice. So you are a person who sees success in every small things which you achieve. Great. So how do you keep motivated all the time to yourself and maybe your team?
Yeah. So I think motivate one of the interviews that I was seeing of yours, and one lady mentioned that no one will come and motivate you. You got to do it for yourself. And I cannot agree more. That is absolutely correct. No one will, because I've tried. I again, trying to stitch the story is that I've done so many things, and those were risks for me, right? The only pieces that have come back altogether is me. I have decided to, learn about it, give my time, understand the broader view, understand the nitty gritties of it. And I have, if you see the books behind me, that includes different genre altogether. The people that I follow, the people that I absolutely love and adore in my life, I ask suggestions from them in terms of books,